Okay, Lena, I can see there is a brace in front of you. Would you mind sharing with us how was your experience with the ScolioAlign brace?
So the brace, my new best friend, I have to say. It's very nice because in this brace, when we were in France, I could grow inside the brace. So it's really made, I think, in 3D, which is very, very interesting, and very not painful. I mean, once you are adapt to the brace, it's very nice. You almost don't feel it sometimes. And here's a completely new brace from Dr. Kevin Lowe that he did since the treatment was going well. We tried something even new so that it can be even better. And that one is I think I prefer that brace as it is less heavier when I'm carrying in a bag or anything, and is also more flexible. I mean, I move even more inside this brace than the other one. So he's really nice.
Okay.